Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Hayday account. So let's get started. First, open your Hayday game. Then tap on the hamburger menu. Tap on Settings option. Now select Advanced Settings option. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. And then tap on Delete Account button. Scroll down a little and then tap on Delete My Data option. Then select a response. And then tap on Delete Account button. And this is how you can delete your Hayday account. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future videos.